Welcome back. Accused in Panaji police station attack case, Talegaon MLA Jeniffer Monserrate has knocked the doors of the High Court. In a petition, Jeniffer Monserrate has challenged framing of charges against her in Panaji police station attack case. The High Court has issued notice to the CBI. Meanwhile, the High Court has admitted a government's plea challenging part of trial court judgment in Mandar Surlekar murder case related to release of all accused after completion of 14-year jail term.
The High Court on Tuesday admitted petition of Talegaon MLA Jeniffer Monserrate, then Panaji Mayor Tony Rodrigues and 3 other accused in the year 2008 Panaji police station attack case. Jeniffer Monserrate in her petition before the High Court has challenged framing of charges by the Mapsa CBI court in the police station attack case. Jeniffer Monserrate has also pleaded to the High Court to stay ongoing legal proceedings before the trial court. After hearing briefly, the High Court issued notice to the CBI. The High Court has directed the CBI to file its reply by 18th November. On 31st October this year, the Mapsa CBI court has charged Jeniffer Monserrate, her husband Emily Babush Monserrate and 35 other accused for attacking Panaji police station and various other charges. Meanwhile, the High Court on Tuesday admitted Goa government's plea challenging trial court's order to release killers of Mandar Surlekar after completion of jail term of 14 years. State governments in its petition before the High Court has contended that it is prerogative of governments to decide about the release of a lifer convict. The Panaji Children's Court in its judgment dated 24 June 2014 had sentenced accused Rohan Dungat, Nafiaz Sheikh, Shankar Tiwari and Jovito Ryan Pinto for lifer, but had ordered to release all of them after completion of jail term of 14 years. The High Court is due to hear petition filed by Mandar's father demanding capital punishment for all the accused. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The 87th death anniversary of Venerable Agnello de Souza will be held at Pilar. In preparations, the novenas began from Tuesday. During novena, masses will begin at 5:30 early in the mornings to 6:30 in the evening. Here are some of the glimpses.
सर्वेस्पोर तुमचे सव्यासो आमची काळजा उबारुया सर्वेस्परात आमच्या देवाक दिनवासुया सर्वेस्परा पवित्र बापा सर्व पदवीधरांनी सासण्याच्या देवा सर्व काळी आणि सर्व ताई जेजू ख्रिस्त आमच्या सुम्या वरवीं आमी तुका दिनवासूंक फोगो हो कायदो नितीचो आनी आमच्या फायद्याचो या तुझ्या मोगाच्या पुता वरवीं तुझे सोत ओळखूंक तुवें आमकां पावयली आनी एका पावडताचे आनी एका स्नानाचे गांठीन ताची एक कूड जावंक आमकां एकठायली
आज तुम्ही सगळीं जाणां पादांची नोवेना पिलार सुरू जाल्या. आज नोवेना 9 दीस पासून तयारी पाद्रागनाच्या दिसाची. पाद्रागनाचे दीस उपरोत नोव्हेंबराचे 20 जाता. सगळ्या गोंयांत फामाद आनी आख्ख्या गोंयचो कोणशाचो लोक हांगासर हे पवित्र जागेर येता आनी पादांची मुजतीन आपली देणी मागणी फुडें घालता.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.